how to find or add nearby friends on Snapchat. So if you know, there is a feature on Snapchat called Snap Map where you can see all of the nearby friends on your Snap. So I'm going to show you how you can add them or view them on the map. First of all, open your Snapchat. And then once you can see, as you can see, there is this map option at the bottom. You can tap on it. Once you tap on the map, make sure your ghost mode is turned off. If you tap on the settings right here, you can turn it off and you will be visible on the map. So I don't currently have many friends on my Snapchat. So if you have, you can see them on the map right here, and you can even view different places here. People that have posted a story from this specific place. So you can find different kind of stores and places that people have posted from. You can add them from here as well. And that's how you can basically find nearby friends on Snapchat. I hope you found the video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.